Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get buy-sell signals in TradingView. First, open your TradingView chart and locate the Indicators button at the top. This is where you'll find a vast library of tools to help you analyze market movements. We'll focus on adding popular indicators that automatically generate visual buy and sell alerts directly on your chart, making it easier to spot trading opportunities quickly and efficiently. To add an indicator, click the Indicators button and type the name of a common one, like Moving Average Convergence Divergence or Relative Strength Index. Select it from the list, and it will appear on your chart. Now, you can click the gear icon next to the indicator's name to open its settings. Here, you can fine-tune parameters such as length or source to match your specific trading strategy and market conditions. Once indicators are applied, you'll start seeing visual cues. For example, a green arrow pointing up might signify a buy signal, suggesting an upward price movement. Conversely, a red arrow pointing down could indicate a sell signal, hinting at a potential decline. Remember, these signals are best used in conjunction with other analysis. Always consider the overall market context and your risk tolerance before making any trades. TradingView allows you to set up custom alerts that notify you when a specific buy or sell condition is met, even when you're away from your screen. You can also explore the Community Scripts section for user-created indicators and strategies, offering even more ways to generate signals. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your daily life. These tools can significantly improve your trading efficiency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.